Their stories are common ones of escape from war, oppression and poverty. Their ordeals a symbol of the many troubles of our times. Risking their lives across the Mediterranean Sea was their only option. They were found adrift in the water by the Guardia di Finanza, the Italian border police. The rush to get on board the Italian ship, a testimony of how frightened they were, stranded in the water with no coast in sight. He says the Libyan skipper abandoned them. They had no water or food. No one knew how to steer the boat. People were panicking. Their suffering is etched on their faces. Some stare into oblivion, perhaps trying to come to terms with what they've been through. Naama left behind her 2 children with her mother in Somalia. Her husband is in Yemen. She lost contact with him when war broke out there 2 months ago.
We could not talk or ask anything in Libya. Each time we opened our mouth, they would beat us with a stick. They raped us until we paid money. It was horrible. I never expected to be treated like that in an Arab country. There was no mercy. I really thank Italy. Nobody has been so nice with us in a long time.
The women huddle together, even though the ship is slowly taking them away from the African coast. Forgetting the rape and humiliation won't be possible. Some are pregnant. There are also many teenagers. Faisal had first fled from Somalia to Yemen, but war caught up with him, so he had to move again.
In Sudan, I was captured and locked in a house for 18 days. I escaped and went to Libya. I was penniless. I left Yemen with nothing on me. I was hoping to find some compassion, but nothing. Today is my birthday. When I touch land, I will drink 10 Pepsis to celebrate. It's a new beginning.
The deck was silent. Many slumped into deep sleep. The ship continued to sail back to Europe. As night falls and the coast of Italy appears, life returns on deck. Now there are smiles, perhaps the first ones in a long time. This is the moment they've been waiting for so patiently here on deck. The moment they can get off the boat and touch land. For them it means they're finally in Europe. A whole new life is starting, even though they don't know what it means. There's a rush to get off the ship. This time there's excitement, maybe even amazement, that after suffering so much, there are some of the lucky ones who made it to Europe. Abdel Hamid, Al Jazeera, Lampedusa.